Hi all, good evening, Jay here. So, this is batch 40 for the ETL testing. So earlier we have completed up to batch 38. Batch 39 is running, and this is batch 40. So, this is for the ETL testing. ETL testing is nothing but it's a software testing only, but with using a SQL, and you can say nowadays little bit they are using Python also and all other technology. It's not like completely manual, but it is based on the manual. So the base is a manual, but it's not completely manual. I'll explain you completely what exactly ETL testing is. First of all, let me introduce myself because many of you will be knowing me, but many of you will be not knowing me, like my profile, where I worked, all these things. So myself, Jayant Kumar, full name is Jayant, and you can call me Jay. Okay, so you can call me Jay. I have total 11 plus years of experience. Okay, so I have 11 plus years of experience. I worked multiple companies. I worked with the IBM technologies. I have worked on, UST Global. I have worked Deloitte Technologies. I have worked with the Dell Technologies. Currently, I'm working with the Atos. Atos is a French company where like 1 lakh employees are there. You may heard a Sintel or Atos. So both are same only. So I'm working currently with the Atos, and I have total 11 years of experience purely onto ETL testing only. I worked on the ETL testing only, completely experience of the ETL testing only. Okay, so multiple project, maybe 14 to 15 project I have worked for the ETL testing. So based on that only I have prepared, this syllabus, as well as I have attended more than 150, 200 interviews. So based on that, I have, prepared this syllabus, like what are the questions they are asking and all this thing. So this is about myself, and I'm staying in Bangalore. So I'm working in Bangalore itself. Okay. So this is about myself, and coming back to you, like, what is ETL testing? Many of you will have the questions. Okay. Many of you will have the question, what is ETL testing? What is ETL testing? So ETL, nothing but ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. Extract, E stand for extract, and T stand for transform, and L stand for loading. Okay, loading. So what it means by extract, transform, and load in ETL testing? Consider that you have a multiple companies out there. Okay, just a second. So consider that you have a banking company. Okay, so many of you will be knowing that, like multiple banking. Like consider that we have Citibank is there. We have Citibank. Citibank overall worldwide they are using Citibank. So Citibank is there. Okay, Citibank. When you like you have a account in a Citibank and you go in a bank, you do transaction, you deposit the money, you withdraw the money, you go ATM and you withdraw the money, you go into, like, you have loan account, you have bike loans, you have car loans, you have many things. So many things you are doing with the Citibank. So the moment you are doing transaction, like you are depositing the money or you're withdrawing the money from the bank and all, then you are generating the data. You are generating the data. So what bank want to do that? What bank want to do that? They want to save the data. They want to save the data. Like you, they will have 1 million of customers. They will be doing transaction every day. Every day, 1 million of customers they will be doing the transaction, and like one transaction, 10 transaction every day they will be doing. Nowadays, UPI are there, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, and all. So you are paying a small 5 rupees, 10 rupees also you are paying by the UPI one. So means what? You are generating lots of data per day also. Per day, 10 transaction, 20 transaction. Every day you are doing it. So based on that, what customer want, what company want, what Citibank want, they want to save your data. They want to save your data so that after 5 years or 10 years later, if you want to generate the statement, like tell me how much I did expense on this month or this year. So you will be able to find it after 10 years or after 5 years. Okay. So like, they want to save it. But just a second, guys. Everyone is able to hear, guys? Can you check? Rejoin if you are not able to hear. Rejoin. Can you confirm? Can you thumbs up? Everyone is able to hear. Let me unmute you all.
Yes, we can hear you, Jen.
Yes, we
Yeah.
can hear.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
yeah, who is having problem with the like you are not able to hear? Please rejoin. Okay, so that's what I was saying that the bank people, they want to save your data. So whatever the day by day transaction you are doing. So in end of the month or end of the year, or after 5 years or after 10 years, you want to generate a statement. So this year I have how much I have did expenses, or if you have to submit somewhere your bank statement, like show me this year bank statement, like when you will go for the job search and all, they will ask your bank statement from where you will get. So bank people, they will save it somewhere in the databases, in their database, or they in their repository. They will save this your whatever the transactions you will do. It's not like 1% transaction. It will be millions of customer transactions. Okay, so it's not like very limited data. It will be very huge data will be there. So that's what the bank people or any other you see in India only will have more than 100 banks will be there. So all over the world, you think how much banks will be there. Moreover, so this is what customer want to save. And after generating the statement is one thing. Another thing is that now bank, they want to save your data, loan data, your transaction data, your ATM data, your online transaction data, everything they want to save. And end of the month, end of the month, they want to generate the report, or end of the year or end of the month, they want to generate the report, how much profit they have, how much amount they got it from the loan things. So how much, like quarter wise or year wise, you'll be seeing that like this bank perform 15% of profit, 10% of profit, or Paytm is having 5% of loss. These are the you'll be seeing the reports. So how they will be able to find it? When they will save the customer data, then only they will be able to tell you that, okay, this year we have 10% of profit, all combined, 10% of profit. 10% of profit happen this year based on the loan account, your transaction history, and all these things. They will put into the bond and all. They will generate some revenue from the bond and all. You will put in the FD, RD, and all. So all together, they'll be able to generate some profit or some loss and all. How they will be able to find? When they will save the data, 1 year data or quarter data or half year data. Based on that data, they'll be able to find out whether how much they have invested, how much they got, how much expenses they done on the offices, as well as the students and other things. Okay, based on that, they will be able to generate the reports like this. India is doing good. India is having 15% of profit. America is doing good. America is having 12% of profit. China is doing good. Like that, they'll be able to see that which are the area they are able to generate the more profit. Okay, some of the country where like war will be there, or some of the company poor countries, then they'll have the less profit. They'll have the less profit. So like bank, ETL testing will have the scope in many places in the sense what? One is the banking domain. Another one is the insurance part. Insurance company, you see like HDFC Life and all, ICICI Prudential, so many insurance companies there. Retail is a very big, scope for retail testing. You can take Reliance Trace or Walmart. You can take H&M. So many other brands are there. You name it, like who is dealing with the 100 branches, 200 branches, 5,000 branches, all the things. They'll be able to. They need a ETL testing process. They'll need ETL process so that they'll be able to store the customer data, and based on that, they'll be able to generate the report. Like Walmart, consider that it's all around the world. Okay, Walmart is all around the world, and then what they will do, they will have the grocery and so many things they will have. So end of the month or end of the quarter, they what they want, like how much they have invested in India, retail shops and all. and how much profit they are able to generate. Like that, they'll be able to generate the report. Overall, how much they able to sell worldwide, your Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, all these things, they'll be able to save your data, and based on data, they will be able to generate the report. Many places you take retail, and then you take online shopping, online shopping things, your Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, you name it, so many things are there. Swiggy and all are there. Uber, Ola, so many like telecommunication company. You do the transaction, you do the recharge and all. Those data will be saved. Okay, so this you have done the transaction, net pack, your mobile pack, all these things. So these are the details will be saved into your as part of databases and all, and then they'll be able to generate the report. Where ETL testing will come into picture, where ETL testing will come to into picture, consider that today 1 million records generated, 1 million records generated. Okay, 1 million records generated. Based on this 1 million record, what they will do, they will, it will be first, it will be there in a source layer. So consider that source is L1 layers. Source is L1 layer, and then they want to modify some of the data when cashier, or when you do that, go to the any shop, and you give your details like no phone number, mobile number, or phone number, or your mail ID, or your name and all. Maybe they have not entered the name and all properly. So some impurities will be there. So what they will do, they will do the correction, and then they will load into the second layer, where will be the staging layer. Consider that a staging layer will be there. Okay. A staging layer will be there. Okay, so here after corrections, the data will be loaded here. Okay, once like data is corrected, they'll be loaded. Then again, in the final data warehouse, databases where your all 1 million record will pass through this source layer and to the staging area where now correct data is there. Now, what customer they want to do? So in this process, when the data will be pulled from your source to a staging area, no, that will be called as extract. Okay, then customer want to apply some their own rules. Customer, they want to apply some of their own rules. Okay, that will be called as transformation logic. So transformation logics will be applied between your staging and to the data warehouse or the database, final databases. Transformation logics rules will be applied that they will define. So when the data will be loaded into the final data warehouse, data warehouse, then it will be after transformation rules are applied based on the logic, based on the client logic, it will be loaded here. So one question is that, like, where the ETL tester's role will come into that. So whatever the transformation logics, like whatever the data is moving from source to your this layer, so whatever the rules they are saying, basic level rules, like these are the changes has to be done, the very low level changes, then client will say that client will give you the requirement, and developers will implement the logics. Development will implement the logic. ETL developers will implement the logics here, or in between L2 and L2, they will implement the logic. Developers will implement the logic. And our job as a ETL testers, our job is to verify that whatever the rules is, developed by, whatever the coding is done by the developer, those are based on the client requirement or not. Whatever the rules are defined by the client, which is applied properly in between these two layers or not. When the 1 million data is moving from L1 to L2, L2 to L3, then transformation rules are applied properly or not. So that ETL testers will verify. And how will you verify? You're going to write the SQL query. You're going to write the SQL query. You will have two databases, and based on that, you are going to compare L1 or L2, L1 versus L2. You will have the tables and all that we are going to learn day by day. We learn day by day in our databases. That's what I'm going to teach you for 1.5 months, another 1.5 months. What are the validations you are going to do as part of ETL testers, how you're going to run the scripts and everything. I'll teach you completely. So these are the things as part of ETL testers will do. Scopes are very wide. So many other companies, like you consider retail, how many companies will be there? Each and every shopping complex you go, there are so many retail things are there. So they need ETL applications. You take Puma, Reebok, Nike, Bata, whatever the retail shops you take, in you name it, where like they have the big chain, they need ETL applications to store their data. So there like huge requirements are there. If you consider as one company, IBM company, they will have at least 60 to 70 project on the ETL testing minimum. Okay, so that is what your ETL testing. That this is what your ETL testing to verify the rules developed by developer based on the client requirement. You have to make sure that those rules are applied properly into different databases. Okay, so this is what your ETL testing. Now coming back to why we need ETL testing. Why I'm saying ETL testing when you are fresher, or if you are non-IT background, if you are not working anywhere, if you are lecturer or school teacher or anywhere, you have done your graduation and you are not you want to move to IT companies and all, wherever you are working, you are fed up with the job, you want to move in the very nice manner, then why I'm saying ETL testing? See, ETL testing is based on your SQL and base is manual testing. Okay, so why I'm saying ETL testing? Because it's a easy to learn, guys. Easy to learn, easy to learn, and easy to crack interview. Easy to crack interview and easy to survive in a company. Easy to survive in company because because it's a SQL based technology, you will be able to learn this very easily. You will be able to learn this very easily. And in interview also, some repeated questions they will ask you. They will ask you project architecture, and then they will ask you SQL repeated questions and all. The syllabus is very less for SQL. And then when you will go for the company, when you will be working in any of the company, in any of the project, you don't have to struggle much. But if you'll take any other technology, consider that if you'll go for manual testing, if you'll go for manual testing, so you don't have the openings nowadays for the manual testing. From past 2 years, no openings are there, or everything is automated there. So you will not get more jobs there. So if anyone is there in manual testers, you will be knowing that how much less openings you have. Very, very rare openings you will get. If you'll go for the automation, Java automations and all, then Java Selenium itself, it will take your 6 month time to learn. 6 month time to learn. 6 month time to learn. If anyone learned this Java Selenium, then you will be knowing the pain. And Java is not easy, guys. Clearing clearing interview in Java, it's like very difficult. It's like you have to know so many things. Each time they will come with the new programs, and then you have to write it. And you have to very expert into the Java Selenium, then only you will be able to crack the interview. That also it will take 8 to 9 months minimum. It will take 8 to 9 months, 9 month minimum it will take. That also not sure you will get the job or not in Java Selenium. But if you'll give 1.5 month in ETL testing, only 1.5 month if you'll give in ETL testing, you are gonna get the job for sure. See, whoever is there, I'll call one of the person. He got a 9 LPA package. So first he tried to learn, ETL development, but he found it very difficult. So many things were there. Good interview also was expecting kind of rocket science. So he left that one, and then he joined ETL testing, and then he got the job of 9 LPA. Okay, so I'll call him tomorrow. Today I am not called because I'll have the shortage of time for me only. So maybe tomorrow I'll call him, and then you can ask your doubt how he prepared and all. So that will be uh, will take you can drop your questions. Everyone, you can drop your question if you'll have any questions. Like once we'll finish this, we'll take up. Okay. Now if you see here, if you see here, scope of ETL testing, I told you that the scope of ETL testing is very huge. all banking company, you can say more than 2000 banking company will be there in worldwide, insurance company, retail company, in telecommunication, wherever you see, whatever the companies are there, they need to store the data. You need ETL testers there to verify the data. Okay. Then second point is that how I'm saying that you will get the job 100% guaranteed. So if you will be serious, if you'll be serious for 1.5 months, if you'll attend classes regularly and follow my instruction, whatever I'm teaching, if you learn that properly, 100% guaranteed. 100% guaranteed you will get the job. 100% guaranteed you will get the job. Our condition is what? Attend class regularly with 100% attendance. Okay. You get the, you follow my instruction. You follow my instruction. Okay. Give your 100% effort honestly. 100% effort honestly. Honestly. 100% effort honestly and seriously. It's not like you are just sitting and then doing it, but you are not learning. That is also not should be there. You have to do practice into the database and all. And if any doubts will be there, you have to ask me in the classes, in the regular classes. You have to ask me. Okay, so you have to give your 100% effort honestly and seriously. Okay, then you will get there. Your job is not going anywhere. Okay, if you just follow whatever the things I have discussed till now, that is waste if you don't give your 100% effort. Okay, so join the classes with 100% energy. Sir, I'm ready. I'm gonna take this challenge. 1.5 month, I'm gonna put my effort. I'll be master in ETL tester, and no one can stop me to get the job. So those mentality, join it. How much support you need from me, I'm gonna help you. Because see, real time I have experience in ETL testing only. I'm not bluffing. I'm not started any other things. So based on that only, I will help you to prepare your resume, to if you'll be facing any challenges in roles and responsibility or project explanation, I'm gonna help you. Okay, because if you'll get offer later, I'll be also more happy, because whoever is getting offer later, they are also helping. They are sending good reviews and all. They are attending my regular classes to motivate people. We have one group where most of the people are there, to whoever completed, and whoever got job already, who is SQL and all technically they are good. They are helping others to get proper knowledge. They helping others to get the proper knowledge. So you will also get, and you will also need, you have to give me, you have to help me to, like others also, if they will be having doubt and all, you have to help me to get it cleared on this one. Coming back to the class recording and daily class notes. So we have Google Drive. We have Google Drive where you will get all the your class recording, your class document. Now, if you see here, so I told you like this is batch 40. So till now we have started with the batch 39. Last 15 days back, I have started batch 39. Now, if you see here, it's like going on. Earlier batches I have deleted. So you can see that batch 26, 27, 29, 30, 31, 33, 34, 39, all these batches. Okay. So now your batch will be batch 40. So your class recordings will be there. Okay. So now if you see here, batch 39 SQL is going on. So I have added the SQL recordings and all. Day by day, you will have the SQL recordings and all. You have the practice document, everything. So I'll show you previous completed batch, which will give you more idea how you're gonna get the drive access and how you're gonna do the practice mode. If you'll miss any classes, then how you're gonna come off. Okay, so these are the things, like this you will get the all the accesses. Okay, so day by day when I'll be completing the class, you are gonna get the recordings and everything. Okay, so like this, and then doc experience document for the practice part. Whatever I'm gonna teach you, whatever the document I'm gonna show you, so that in one Word document only, you will get all the topics. You will get all the topics with SQL queries, with all SQL queries, so that you will be able to practice theory part as well as you can do practice into your database also. Now, if you see here, you are able to see that. Now, how many pages are there? 76 pages are there in this worksheet. So, like you just have to go day by day and then you have to do the practice. It's very easy. All are very easy. You just have to give, some time to do practice. That's all. You will get it. So, see, similarly, you will have the interview related questions will be there, where scenario based questions will be there. Scenario based questions will be there, where 230 questions are there in this. Scenario based questions will be there. If you will do practice 1 or 2 times this one, you will be able to crack interview. You will be able to answer in interview your questions. Then some interview questions, which is important interview questions. Some 40, 50 interview questions are there. Questions asked by company. Like this, you will get all these things. Apart from that, SQL, you will get access for other things like data warehouse. Then your project explanation, your project explanations will be separate. Informatica tool, manual testing, project explanation, test strategy, Unix specs, Unix agile methodology, all these things you will get class by class once will complete. And then coming back to your project part. So project part will be separate access will be there. So here I'm going to explain you before COVID, we were having the traditional project where there, like they were using the Informatica tool and all, or talent tool and all. But then cloud came into picture. So I'll tell you GCP cloud and then Azure cloud. One more project I'm gonna add AWS from your batch onwards. Okay, so those things are there. GCP, Azure, all this project part, real-time project will be there. Then you once you'll complete your syllabus, full syllabus, I'm gonna give you resume folder, a resume folder where you will be get the 2 years plus experience phase of resume, 3 plus, 4 plus, 5 plus, 6 plus, and you will be able to find out like whatever the resume format you want to make it, you can make based on this one, and then you will go for the job search. Okay, so like this support will be there, and once you prepare the resume, you will share with me yeah, these are the resume I have prepared. Then I'll verify that, and I'll tell you if any modifications will be there. I'll help you on that, and then like I'll give you the trick also. How will you get the more calls and all in this technology? Each and every tricks I'll give. Resume preparation already sessions are there, but every day Sunday, every week Sunday, I'm taking one session for all of my students, like previous student and current student, so that they will be able to know that update into Naukri, how to update into Naukri, as well as how to prepare resume. If they will have any doubt while attending the interviews and all, they'll be able to tell you. Okay, so all these things I'm gonna help once we'll complete the syllabus. Okay, so see your jobs and all, you just have to follow 100% effort seriously, honestly, and whatever the support you need to get into IT company, I'll give you all that support. Wherever you will be lagging with the you will be consider that you will be demotivated. One person was there, so he was demotivated. Sir, I'm receiving call, but I'm not able to clear interview. I'm clearing first round, second round, but third round I'm not able to clear. I'm getting eliminated in second round or third round. I have attended 7 interview till now. So I told him, see, there is no other way. And see, these are all which interview will go good, you never know. Okay, so you have to keep attending the interview. Don't demotivate. You are able to clear first interview, second round. First round means you are prepared nicely. Only thing is that when you explain in an interview, don't tell anything negative. Okay, just these are the things you remove, and then be confident, be logical, and then you will get that. Another in 10 days, 12 days, he got the offer letter. So he told that, sir, one time I was thinking that I'm not have the capacity to clear the interview. But when I spoke to you, I got motivated, and then I put effort again. I got my offer letter. So he's working for currently fine in the IT company. So all these things are there. One more thing is that a non-IT background. One lady was there, so she was in a finance domain. She was there in a finance domain, and her designation was analyst. Okay, luckily she got designation as analyst. Her package was, I guess, 4 to 5 lakhs. Okay, so but she was having experience 5 6 years. She came to me and she told, "Sir, I'm working in a finance. How will I get the job and all?" I told, "See, your designation is suitable only, so just put effort and then I'll help you to get the job." She put really hard effort and then she prepared resume. I helped her to correction of the resume and all. And then she got offer letter of 10.5 something like that in one of the company. So based on the non-IT background, non-IT background, same experience later. She was telling that we'll take the fake, but I don't know. So same experience. She's working fine from past 1.5 years. So 1 year on back she joined and then she's working fine. So like that we have lots of students are there who got many opportunity, many jobs are there. So tomorrow I'll call one of the students. Okay, you can talk to them. They will tell you their preparation and then you will also get motivated. Okay, so these are the things are there. So your class recording as well as the class document will be in a batch 40. Okay, so I don't have any website and all because I'm a working person. So I'm not created background website and all. So it will be challenging for me. But I have my YouTube channel. I have my YouTube channel where 2000 approximately 2000 people are there. Okay, as well as I have a Facebook account. I have a Facebook account where 23 one Facebook page 23 plus people are there, one Facebook page 8,500 people are there. So like that, like now see 1.95 subscribers are there. But I hidden all the videos here because I joined new company and I don't want to take chances, so I hide it. And now Google Drive is more than sufficient. So these are the videos are already there. Okay. So, like after sometimes I'll enable it because I made it all private. Maybe whichever the video required, I'll make it public and I'll share with you. So, then I have a Facebook account. Guys, go on mute, please. Facebook page, I'll share in the just a second, guys. Facebook page I'll share in the group only so that you can also join after some time. Okay. So I guess I have disabled it from here. Course content I'll share in the group. Okay. Whoever is asking for content, I'll share in the group. Non-IT 6 years of experience can place in ETL testing. Yeah, yes, you'll be able to place in IT company. Just now I told non-IT background, many people they got the job. So this ETL testing will be more suitable because it's easy to learn. You will have lots of openings and you will get the more package also. Okay. Then another question, share some real-time work so we can understand easily. See, real-time project, I'm gonna explain you. Okay, 3 4 real-time project I'm gonna explain you, and same thing you have to explain in interview. See, if you'll go to work as a real time, it will take more time. Our aim is to get a job as soon as possible, and it's not rocket science. It's a very easy technology where you will be able to get the job. Okay, how much is possible? I am gonna transfer my knowledge to you, and you are gonna get a job based on that. Everyone is able to get it. You will also have to get it. Okay, can you share the course content? I'll share after the class. Other than SQL, is any other tool needed for ETL testing? Yeah, earlier days Informatica was needed, but nowadays Informatica is outdated tool. Nowadays Informatica is outdated tool. They are not asking Informatica in any of the interview, but we are gonna learn the latest tool, Databricks, which is very much applicable for the ETL testing. And all the queries and all you'll be able to write in ETL testing. I'll show you the project where we have written our SQL queries, Python queries together. So Databricks is very nice tool, which is very like they'll be able to they will be able to apply the transformation logic in Databricks only, and you will be able to validate those things into for the data, like whatever the data will be there from one table to another table, you will be able to validate using Databricks. That I'm gonna teach you in this batch onwards. Okay, last batch onwards only I have started. So in this batch also, Azure services are covered. Yeah, I'll give you the basic of Azure SQL. Whole things I cannot explain because it's a very wide things. But how much is required to place you in a company, I'll tell you. Which tool is used in ETL tool? Databricks, guys. Okay. Informatica also I'll explain. Informatica I'll explain, but will not waste on time on that. But we'll move to the Databricks. Python also included. How much package as a 4 years experience a person can get in a ETL testing? 4 years of experience, it depends on your current package. If you are getting 5 lakhs per now, 4 years of experience, you will get up to 12 to 13 lakhs. You can get it. More than that also possible, but you have to counter more offers. After this course, can we apply for SQL developer? Not suggestible. It's not developer job. It's not core. This course is not for development. This course is completely for testing, which will be easy. If you'll go for development, learning of development and all, it will be very difficult, and you have to come back after 2 3 months back. After 2 3 months later, you have to come here only because that they're like everyone cannot. Uh, like be a developer. Okay, so that you have to agree, and then I'll request everyone, if you're not working or if you're manual tester and all, go for ETL testing. It will be it will be good for your job search. Scope of the Databricks and ADF, I'm going to explain you complete in and out for Databricks. Don't worry. ADF also, I'll tell you what is the use of ADF. Okay. It will be one session only I'll take for ADF, not much because they are not asking much on that. So only SQL, Python, data warehouse concept, manual concept, your Databricks and all are little bit important, nothing else. I have more than 16 years of experience in manual testing. Is there any chance to get job in ETL? Lavan, I'll tell you one story. So Lavan is having 16 years of experience in manual testing. So I'll tell you one story. One of the person, he was having 14 years of experience in one of the company. He was working in IBM company, and his package was same as experience 14 years, 14 lakhs of package. Then he told, hey Jayant, your experience is less than mine, how you're gonna help? I told, you join, I'll try to help. Then he learned, he put effort, and he's shown some 6 7 years of experience in manual, 7 8 years of experience in ETL testing. He got 3 offer letter, 26 lakhs, 24 lakhs, and same company they hired him for 23 lakhs. So I told him that like join the same company because 1 or 2 lakhs is not much things. So same company only he got 23 lakhs of package. So I'll help you. Definitely I'm gonna help you, and it will be very helpful for you. After this course, can we apply for a SQL developer? No, you can't apply for a SQL developer. You can apply, there is no problem, but development related things, you have to figure it out. What are the things you're gonna do? Why don't you teach Python plus Selenium instead of this? See, Python plus Selenium is again, it's too many people are there in Selenium field. You search in a market, everyone is with the resume Python Selenium or Java Selenium, and too much crowded. Moreover, you need 6 7 months to learn. The interview is very difficult. When you will get in project, everyone is not able to survive in that. So that's why I have, and you are asking why don't you teach Python plus Selenium? I have not worked on Python plus Selenium. I worked on ETL testing, but that's why I'm teaching ETL testing only. What I felt, that what I'm saying, many of the students, they are coming with the Python Selenium or Java Selenium resume, and they are saying that, sir, please help me to get the job. I invested 9 months of time. I did not get job. Q Spider, J Spiders, many places they have learned the courses. Okay, how much package for 3 years? That In the end, can you tell about experience things? Okay, experience things I'll tell you. Okay, guys, hold your questions. Now we'll go for the okay. So in this ETL testings, you will get once mock interviews will be there. Once you will finish SQL preparation, full SQL you will prepare. Give me one time mock. When you will prepare full syllabus, another mock will be that time. Full syllabus, another mock will be there. And in the mock is mandatory. You have to give mock because see in mock only I'll be able to know that how much you have prepared and what are the tuning you need. Like what are the topics you need to put more effort. So those things I'll be able to know in a mock interviews. And then your group discussions will be there. Once we'll complete 40% of syllabus, your group discussions will start. Group discussions will start here. Okay, these things are there. Okay, so this is what your things are there. Now coming back to your experience document, the course fees will be regular fees is 10,000. 10K is the course fees. But I want to give some discount because like this is weekdays batch and once in a year I give a good discount for one batch only, not all the batch, only one batch. I'll give more discount. So your final fees will be 6K. Okay, and that will be final one 6K, 10K to 6K. I'll make it, and you that you have to pay in one shot only. And your first three classes will be free. Means like till Thursday, you'll have your class will be free. Till Thursday, your class will be free, and for Monday onwards, you have to pay the fees to join the classes. Okay, because the fees is less for this batch, so I don't want to take more this thing. Class recording and class documents will be provided, class by class, and all these things. And if you want to prepare in a fast phase, if you want to prepare in fast phase, fast track, if you want to prepare in fast track, then you can go ahead, you can take the previous class recording, you can take the previous class recording, and then you can prepare in faster phase so that the class by class when I'll explain the things, you don't know, you no need to you no need to what is that struggle to get the concept. So what I'll do, you can go with the class recording before only and you learn the things in before only, and then when I'll start the class, you can if you'll have any doubt, you can ask that out. Or if you're really good, if you're not working anywhere, if you're ready to work for 8 hours, 10 hours, then go for the fast track preparation. You prepared in 1 month only, and then prepare your resume, and going forward you start attending the interview. So that also possibilities are there. I'll support you in all aspects, so you don't worry on that. Whatever things are there, I am gonna support you for all these things. Fast track, you can take it and you can start preparing. The final fees will be 6K only for this batch. Next batch onwards, it will be again back to the 10K. Okay, so this is the fees. Now
What is the fee for the fast track?
same only. Like you pay the 6K, you attend the regular classes, plus you get the previous class recording. Fast track plus your regular class also. It's not separate fees is not there for fast track. This is just to give you the you know yeah, what we can say. It's just for facility I'm providing you so that you can prepare in fast phase and you can prepare in 1 month and you can start searching the job, or before the starting of the class you can refer the recording. It's up to you if you want, how you want, but you put your effort 100% and get your offer letter. You can attend fast track plus regular classes. So
And
Is
batch
it
40 is on which days? Is it Friday, Saturday, Sunday?
yeah, that is fine. Not Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It will be Monday to Thursday.
Okay.
Monday to Thursday.
Any
Evening time.
batches for Friday, Saturday, Sunday?
No. That I have started 15 days back. Now it will take another 1 month, 1.5 month. Then we'll start there. So this evening batch only you start. Uh, Monday to Thursday evening, 8 to 9:15, like that it will be there. And later I'm gonna make it like 7:45. Maybe after 3 weeks, I'm gonna make it 7:45 p.m. to IST. Okay, p.m. to 9:15 like that. Once we'll finish our SQL, because till SQL I'll go little bit slow because I need to, like you have to get the proper knowledge on the SQL. SQL is 70%, 60%, 70%. Your SQL is needed. And tomorrow I'll explain you the syllabus part. Now I'm open for your question. You can go ahead and ask your question, guys.
So what is the course duration?
1.5 months. It's a weekdays batch, so we have 1 day extra. So it will be 1.5 month with all this, whatever the Databricks, Python and all are there. So 1 week plus minus here and there, it will be there. But 1.5 month, my target is to complete it, and most probably it will be completed 1.5 month. Next question, guys.
And so
For
ETL
how
test.
long we'll have access to the recordings?
You will have access for minimum 1 year. It will be there, but after 1 year also, if you'll say that, sir, I'm back, again I want to search the job, give me the access, I'll give you access for the latest batch. Because see, technology are changing, so I'm updating, each 10 batch, you can say that little bit technology are updating. So I'll give you access for the latest batch that time. Maybe 2-3 years you can consider. Yeah.
In cloud also ETL testing is there. I mean, whether we need to learn for any one cloud technology like.
No, we don't have to learn any cloud technology. How much we need to learn to get the job and you'll be able to work properly, I'm gonna teach you. That's what I'm gonna show you in Azure Cloud, Databricks part. Those things
Okay.
are needed, and like same thing you're gonna do it in the cloud.
Okay. Okay.
Guys, don't drop questions now. You can ask here only.
Sir, any
Automation you
specific
can.
password yes, they are asking, or any password here workable?
Sorry, come again.
They are asking any specific password here, or any year we can consider.
See, the thing is that we able to place people who pass in 2006 also. So there is no problem. She is working perfectly fine, and other people also they are working fine. One lady was there 1997 pass out. That is the 2 years back story. So I'm not considering that, but the pass out year is not a problem. When we'll show some years of experience, that matters. Based on the experience, you will be able to get it.
Okay.
Next question, guys.
So after after joining, if you get the job, if you find any difficulty, will you provide the support?
Definitely, when you will get the job and you will face any difficulty, like see, full day I'll not able to sit with you, but definitely for 15 minutes, half an hour, I'll tell you that how you're gonna do it. And we have many more students are there. One group is there, overall like 400 people are there. Till now, whoever joined with me, whoever got job and all, in that group, everyone like 450 people are there. And if you will be facing any difficulty, they will jump and then they will help.
Fine. Thank you.
Yeah, hi sir.
Yeah.
Currently, I'm a fresher, final year pass out of degree biology department. How will be the chances for
Which
me?
year pass out? Which year pass out?
This year only. Just now I completed the exams.
And biology.
Yes.
Okay. So see, you have to put effort and you have to show in a resume that you have got the job. Some, will work on that in your case, freshers. See, ETL testing, like many openings are there for freshers. So you can search on that also as a freshers also. But like
Yeah, but
nowadays, company is not much investing in freshers, but we can try it.
yeah, because I'm worrying about my department as biology, geology, chemistry. I don't
No,
have computer in my subject.
nobody's nowadays BCom, BA, BTech, BCA, all are same in IT field. Many students, BCA, BA,
Mm.
BCom, they got the job in IT. They are working successfully. No problem with that.
Yeah,
Nowadays,
but
IT is not only for the technical degree. You can
Mhm.
be a BCom, a BSc, IT, nursing, or whatever is there. If you have interest, you can start working on
Yeah, but what I observed is in the fresher jobs, they're asking that you should have one computer subject in your academics like that.
it. Earlier days, it was there. But see,
Mm-hmm.
lots of companies are there.
Yeah.
If you will see the big company, they may have that requirement will be there. But
Okay.
as a freshers, your target will be there. You get the any startup company or any medium level of company where
Mm-hmm.
they need working people. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so
Okay.
you will be able to get it. See, until unless will not learn and will not try, will not know one.
Correct. Correct.
Hmm.
Okay. Thank
And keep trying, keep updating your skills. If you have a target in IT, you will get it one day in IT.
you. Sure. Sure.
Hmm. Which
Hi Jay.
technology will be fruitful? You never know. Yeah, so tell me.
So my question is, Jay, say past 6 years I'm working in non-IT. So if
Hmm.
I complete this course and then if I go for search for in IT, how
Hmm.
it works for me? Because past
What is
six
the
years continuously
designation?
working.
How?
Sorry,
What is the designation you got currently?
right now in the operations, learning and development.
Like exactly, you tell me the in payslip and your offer letter. You will get the this operations.
Yes, operations.
Then you are eligible. Same experience will use here
Mhm.
in IT only.
Okay, but if they cross check that I don't have priorly what I worked is different and what I'm applying is different, no? So that I didn't get. So
Who will tell you? You will tell them. No, no,
obviously when no when
you
they
will not
cross
tell.
check
No,
as well, right? So if
cross check
we
how. See the verification how it works.
Mhm,
You will give the offer letter. Okay, whatever
mhm,
the company you got offer letter, you will give them like I work for 6 years in this company. So what they
mhm,
will do, they will ask their HR whether this employee was working with you from this date to this date or not, and with this designation or not. That's all. They will not ask like who is their manager. Give me their manager number. In which project he worked. They don't ask in a company to company level for the BGB
got
part.
you, got you. Okay,
Hmm.
that's answer for the question. Thanks. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi Jay.
Yeah, Sunny, tell me.
Yeah, I joined late, so I think I missed that part. For
Hmm.
this ETL course, Python is must.
No. SQL, I told 60 to 70% SQL is important. Python, why I'm
Okay.
adding Python here? Because nowadays each and every technology they are using Python. So same thing, whatever the query you can write in SQL, like you can write in a Python also. So if you'll have little bit knowledge on Python, then it will be added advantage into the interview. See, our focus is to get clear. Interview should be clear. So based on that only, your syllabus will be.
Okay. So actually, I have knowledge in Java, so that's why I asked this.
Java
So
we don't need.
Java, will it be helpful here?
No. Java is not
Okay.
helpful.
Okay.
Only
Thank you.
SQL and Python.
Okay.
If you know SQL, then it's an added advantage. You can make it fast. If you don't know SQL, I'll be teaching from A to Z. Like I'll be starting from a scratch, and I'll teach you from the till the end. And there will be doubt clearance session also will be there, so that like if you're learning first time SQL, no need to worry. Like you'll be learning first how to write A, and then you'll move to the next topic.
Jay, we
Okay.
need whether we need a Unix for ETL testing to be like to know something about Unix.
Unix basic we need, just for one or two companies sometimes they ask. That I shown into the document is there. If you refer that one, that is fine. I'll share with that. We have that. Unix part. Unix is there.
Hi Jay. So in SQL, do we need to learn store procedure also?
No, not PL SQL, only SQL.
Okay.
Next question.
Yeah, actually, I'm in a lecturer teaching field. So I want to switch there. How it will be helpful.
Yeah, fine. You can also switch, no problem. In teaching field, yeah, many people they were into teaching field. They learn and then they move to the testing field. So no worries. Like if you have really, if you want to move to testing field or software field, then start learning, start attending interview, start learning. You will be able to get into. But we have to
Okay.
hide.
We have PF here. So is there means PF that will be helpful, or we need to make another one?
You have PF.
Yeah.
Okay. With PF, we have to hide. I guess like we can say that you have learned and you were working with the IT company also, and parallelly you something we have to tell. One lady was there, so she was into engineering college. She was having also PF, but she was able to
Same
manage
here.
that.
My scenario is also same here. Yeah.
So she is able to get the job and she is working fine from past 1 year. So once we'll complete the syllabus, we'll tell you to contact her. What she told, same thing you have to tell.
Oh, fine.
In that case, 10 top 20 companies will not go. Third party contact to hire company will go, so that like your
Okay.
BGB will go smoothly.
Fine.
Next question, guys. Okay, let me someone drop some of the message. So let me read that one. Okay. Okay. So just a second, guys. Lots of message came. I'll make it fast. Share some real-time work. So can you share the course? Course content will be shared in the group. Other than SQL, is any other tool needed? Databricks is needed. I'll teach you that. Which Azure service are covered? Databricks. Which tool is used as ETL tool? Databricks. How much package 4 years, 12 or 13? Okay. After this course, can we apply for SQL developer? You can apply, but the development part, you have to figure it out what exactly you will get. The scope of Databricks and ADF, the testing related scopes will be there, not development related. How much is needed for the testing related, that I'm going to teach you. Okay. After this course, can we apply for SQL developer? Same question. Why don't you teach Python? That is, I told already. For manual testers having 13 years of experience, how much package can we expect? So if you have 13 years of manual testing experience, then it depends on your current package. On current package, 60 to 80% you will get the hike. And pandas also will be part of testing. Yeah, pandas will be also part of the Python course. Okay, do we have openings in ETL testing? Definitely we have openings in ETL testing. Whether any cloud concept, yes, Azure, GCP and AWS project related, I'll explain. Class timing will be Monday to Thursday, evening 8 to 9:15, 9:30, okay? Class timing will be like that. Monday to Thursday, evening 8 to 9:15. Okay, fees will be, regular fees is 10,000, but in this batch, I'm gonna give 6,000 as a full discount, final discount, and the till Thursday you have to pay the fees. Okay, MNC verifications, will they clear? I'm not sure MNC whether it will clear or not, because nowadays verifications is very restrict. Okay, for non-IT people, docs will be helpful. It depends on non-IT background people. You have to tell me your designation. Based on that only, I'll suggest you that whether you have to go for the document or not. MNC will ask for bank statement, right? Go for the temporary one. Fees for previous recording, same only, same fees only. You can attend the regular classes, Plus, if you want, you can get the previous batch recording for your preparation purpose only. So all supports will be there from my end. You no need to worry. Just give your best. Python is must for ETL, not required much, but you should know little bit nowadays. Earlier days we don't need Python, but nowadays little bit if you know, your profile will be selection. Profile selections will be more. What about automation? Can we apply? No, for non-IT 6 years. For non-IT background, it depends on your package, how much your package, 60 to 80% you can expect. Databricks open source for practice purpose. Yeah, Databricks is open source and anyone can install. I'll help you how to install that. Yeah, you can use community edition. Can you please brief about Databricks, please? Definitely, I'll explain. In detail level only, I'll explain. Don't worry on that. I'm a fresher, is right? Why we are learning Informatica if it's outdated? Informatica, we are learning. It's a very good question. Indrajit is asked that why we are learning Informatica if it's outdated tool. See, consider. Let me explain you why we are learning Informatica if it's an outdated tool, guys. Okay. So let me take one worksheet. So consider that Informatica. Consider you are applying 5 years of experience. Okay, 5 years of experience now. 5 years of experience. So what happened? 5 years of experience. Latest 2 years, you have cloud applications are there. Okay, cloud applications are there. When cloud came, Informatica is outdated. When cloud came, Informatica is outdated. So we don't need Informatica for now. Latest 2 years. But past 3 years or past before 3 years or before 2 years, to show 3 years of experience, past 3 years of experience, we need to show some ETL tool, Informatica like that. Okay. So now Informatica is outdated tool and they don't give the license also. But we learned that somehow we'll tell you that how you're gonna make it Informatica knowledge little bit. Okay, so you better to have the knowledge on Informatica that will be added advantage. So that's what like in the previous experience, if you want to put, then we have to learn a little bit about the Informatica. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Thank you for dropping now. Can you please brief about database, please? Will you be covering CI/CD? CI/CD is not required for the testing. This is required for the developer guys. Okay, don't be confused with the scope. How much package for 3 years of expense concern explain in ETL without Python automation, also with Python as well. Same, see, all the technology you will get the same experience. 3 years of experience, you may get 8 to 9 lakhs of package. What are the topics covered? You have not shown all the slide to see. Tomorrow, first half, I'm gonna explain you the syllabus only because now it's a time's up. Many people they have to run out. So now 9:15. So all agenda and topics are there. So I'll explain you. I'll start from here and then we'll start from SQL first. First classes will be first. I'll explain you the syllabus of ETL testing. Then we'll move to the SQL part. We'll start from SQL. The first classes will be tomorrow on ETL testing. So I request everyone. Okay. So this recording I'll be sharing you after the class. After some time I'll share it. Once we'll upload, I'll share it. Okay, guys. So if any other doubts, let me know. I'm free to I'm ready to answer those questions. Others, if you don't have any questions, you can drop. But anyone is having any questions, you can ask. Don't drop the message. Just you can unmute yourself and then you can ask your questions. Others, if
Whether,
you want,
hello,
yeah,
Jay.
yeah.
If we show like 5 year experience, so how
Mhm.
much informative questions they may ask?
Will show 2 years of Informatica. Little bit only is needed, not required much. I'll teach you that like little bit in Informatica. That's all.
Okay.
But earlier days, before 1 year and all, I designed my syllabus such a way that like Informatica is having, I made it too much, what is that? Informatic. So that's what I wanted to complete that part as well, so that it will be good for you. Interview perspective. Go ahead, guys. Next question. Others, if you don't have any questions, feel free to drop.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
openings for
Satyanarayana.
yeah, openings about openings.
Openings are there for ETL testing. I'll tell you the trick. Based on the trick, you will get the openings. After completion of the course, I'm taking each Sunday classes for that.
Okay.
I'll take that class, and then based on that, you will get it.
Okay.
Any other question, anyone? Or shall I wind up the call? We'll meet tomorrow. Is it fine? Okay, guys. Bye, everyone. If you are not added to the group, the WhatsApp group, WhatsApp me on this number. I'll add you to the main group, Batch 40 main group. Okay. So WhatsApp me if you are not added to the group. I'll add you to the group. This is my number 6363190920. Bye, everyone. Thank you for joining.